What's going on, YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2016 Infiniti QX60. That's what the cabin filter looks like. These things are the same installation for the Pathfinders. It's literally the same car. Pathfinders, I believe, from 2013 on up, same as the Infinitis. Basically, you come to the passenger side, and it's up underneath the glove box. And this is it right here. This is the cabin filter cover. This has a little locking tab. As you can see, that's locked in. Push up and it unlocks, and this drops right down just like so. You can see the cabin filter is up in there. What I like to do is pinch, so I get 2 fingers in there. It's gonna be hard to catch on camera. There we go. I pinch it and I bring it on out, and I just slide that baby right on out of there. Well needing replacement. Filthy. So that's that, and that's how it was in there, just like so. So I like to install the same way it came out. So airflow, you can see the arrow is always pointing towards the cabin of the vehicle. So what I like to do is I take the cabin filter and I grab it just like so, and I'm gonna fit that on in the hole just like this. It's gonna slide in there, and then it's gonna release like that. It makes it easier to bypass everything underneath here. So that's the hole. Okay, so I get that in there. I like to feed in there. And you push it on in there. I apologize for the video, it's a tight spot, but that's how it looks when it's in there, just like that. And then you take this cover, and you can see that clip. So you're gonna slide this up top, and that's gonna fall into place, and you're just gonna snap that back into place. And there you go, it clips into place. And that's how you do a cabin filter on a 2016 Infiniti QX60. Again, the same on the Pathfinders. Pretty simple process. The only thing that you might have a difficult time with is the clip itself. When you go to get it back in place up top. Let's see. Getting that piece up top locked into place. That's the only thing you might have trouble with. And getting it out of there, you just, again, you want to get your fingers on it because it's going to be in the slot. You want to get your fingers on it. I push my bottom finger and I pinch. And once I pinch, I pull it right on out of there. And then again, getting it in there, you want to have it like this so you can feed it in there. But it's a simple process. When you're not recording and you're actually just doing the work, you could probably do it in under 2 minutes. If I helped you guys out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.